I know there are a lot of brokers here. You have to be more thorough than you are in any other practice area because your E&O is really at risk in this space because you can't assume a client gets it. You can't even assume an underwriter necessarily gets it because a lot of these new underwriters are young trainees and they'll be really wonderful underwriters, but today it's up to you guys to ask the right questions of your clients because you need them to be thinking about what they need to think about. Encryption, for example, they need to think about. HIPAA, they need to think about what types of policies. Some of the apps are 10, 12, 14 pages. I just saw an app out of London that was like 8 questions. So it's really, really important for you guys as brokers to dig down. And obviously, time is money. You're going to be spending money. But you really want to build a relationship and become known as a thought leader in this space because other than the big four, the big five, there are not a lot of retail brokers, wholesale brokers even, who know this space. And obviously, the better known you are and the more knowledgeable you are, it's going to translate to monetizing it